How to calculate click-to-open rate. Mastering Email Marketing Metrics, a comprehensive guide on how to calculate click-to-open rate. In the dynamic landscape of digital marketing, email marketing remains a stalwart channel for businesses to connect with their audience. As marketers strive for success in their campaigns, understanding and optimizing key metrics become paramount. One such crucial metric is the click-to-open rate, CTOR. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the intricacies of CTOR, its significance in email marketing, and, most importantly, how to calculate it to enhance your campaign performance. Section 1, Understanding Click-to-Open Rate. 1.1 What is click-to-open rate? Click-to-open rate is a pivotal metric in email marketing that measures the effectiveness of your email content. Unlike click-through rate, CTR, which considers clicks in relation to the total number of emails sent, CTOR focuses on clicks in relation to the number of emails opened. This nuance makes CTOR a more refined metric, providing insights into how engaging your content is among your audience who opened the email. 1.2 Significance of click-to-open rate. 1. Content Relevance Assessment. CTOR helps you gauge the relevance of your content to your audience. A higher CTOR suggests that your content resonates well with your subscribers, indicating a successful alignment between your messaging and your audience's interests. 2. Email Design and Copy Optimization. By analyzing CTOR, you can pinpoint areas of improvement in your email design and copy. It helps in refining the elements that contribute to a compelling call to action, CTA, and encouraging clicks. 3. Segmentation and Personalization. Understanding CTOR allows you to tailor your content based on the preferences and behaviors of specific segments. This personalization can significantly impact the engagement levels and overall success of your email campaigns. Section 2, Calculating Click-to-Open Rate. 2.1 Basic Formula for Click-to-Open Rate. Calculating CTOR involves a straightforward formula. Photo here. This formula expresses CTOR as a percentage, providing a clear representation of the engagement level among the audience who opened the email. 2.2 Step-by-step guide to calculate click-to-open rate. 1. Gather data. Obtain the number of unique clicks on your email. Retrieve the number of unique opens for the same email. 2. Apply the formula. Plug in the values into the CTOR formula. Multiply the result by 100 to express it as a percentage. 3. Interpret the result. A high CTOR indicates that your content is compelling, and your audience finds value in the email. A low CTOR suggests that your content may need refinement to better align with your audience's expectations. 2.3 Tools for Click-to-Open Rate Calculation. 1. Email Marketing Platforms. Most email marketing platforms, such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, and HubSpot, provide built-in analytics tools that automatically calculate CTOR. 2. Google Analytics. Integrate your email marketing platform with Google Analytics to gain a comprehensive view of your email campaign performance, including CTOR. Section 3, Strategies to Improve Click-to-Open Rate. 3.1 A/B Testing for Optimal Results. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a powerful technique to refine your email content and boost CTOR. By testing variations of your emails with a subset of your audience, you can identify the elements that resonate best with your subscribers. 1. Subject lines. Test different subject lines to determine which ones prompt higher open rates. 2. Call to action, CTA, placement. Experiment with the placement and design of your CTA buttons to optimize click-through rates. 3. Content length and format. Test the impact of different content lengths and formats on CTOR. Some audiences may prefer concise, visually appealing content, while others may engage more with longer, informative emails. 3.2 Personalization and Segmentation. 1. Dynamic content. Leverage dynamic content to personalize emails based on subscriber data, such as location, preferences, and past behavior. 2. Behavioral segmentation. Segment your audience based on their behavior, such as previous purchases, website interactions, or email engagement. Tailor your content to each segment to enhance relevance. 3.3 Mobile optimization. Given the prevalence of mobile device usage, optimizing your emails for mobile platforms is imperative. A seamless and visually appealing mobile experience can significantly impact both open and click-to-open rates. 1. Responsive design. Ensure that your emails are responsive and display well on various screen sizes. 2. Clear call to action on mobile. Optimize your CTAs for mobile users, making them easily tappable and prominently displayed. 3.4 Timing and frequency. 1. Send time optimization. Experiment with different send times to determine when your audience is most responsive. Consider time zone differences to maximize engagement.